Hi folks, welcome back to Glue Sniff Garage. Another unboxing video today for you. We've got the Aoshima Nissan Skyline ER34 4-door 25 GT Turbo. We'll take a wee look at the box here. It's very nice artwork in the box. It's a really clean looking box. Not too much going on, just the car itself. Really nicely done. So this is number 88 in the model car series by Aoshima. On this side here, a couple of pictures of the kit completed. You've got a little bit of blurb there about the R34 Skyline. This being the later model of the R34. There's a couple of changes for the earlier models. A list of your colours there if you're building it as per the box art. These are all Mr. Hobby colours. And your usual warnings. Box art repeated on the sides as well. I'll open up the box. Few different bags in here. Just give me a wee second, I will open up these bags and we can take a closer look at the sprues. Alright, I've got the bags opened up so we can start taking a look at what is inside. We'll start off with instructions here. Quite a bit of instructions there to follow. Parts list in the back there too. Next up we'll take a quick look at the decals. A couple of options for license plates. Got your Nissan badges and your Skyline badges there. Also some raised wheels decals, some Volk decals there too. Got some window maskings as well there. Quite a few window maskings as this is a 4-door car, so there's a bit more glass to be masking off. Speaking of glass, we'll look at the clear sprue. So it's all separate pieces, so you've got your front and rear glass, your side glass there too. Also has sunroof. And you've got your various lights there. Now this kit is quite a new tooling from Aoshima. 2018 this one was tooled, so it's probably one of the newest new tools that I think they've got at the moment. There's a few different variations of this. They've got the Urus drift version. You think you've got a police car version, and there's also a GTX version which comes with a body kit, and I think there might be one more that's got some different wheels and options and stuff. So there's a few different versions of this kit out there, but yeah, new tooling, so this should be quite nice. So we've got the front bumper there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well, but the plastic's finished in a really nice sparkly blue. It's very similar to the Tamiya blue that they've got on the Subaru Imprezas. Next up we've got the front bumper. You can see that sparkle a bit better on the flat surface. It's a very nice finish to the plastic. You get your front bumper there. As far as I'm aware, there's none of these kits come with an engine yet, so I'm not sure why it has the removable hood. It might be that the other versions have different hoods and fenders or wings. So you get your two separate front wings there too. Body kit pieces and your wing mirrors. Next up we've got the chassis. Now, although this is a new tooling, this looks very familiar. I've made a couple of Aoshima Skylines and they all seem to use the same chassis, and this is no different by the looks of it. It's the same exhaust and your catalytic converter moulded in there, same gearbox. Maybe it looks like the mouldings are slightly shallower. Black plastics, a nice kind of satiny finish. Make your paint adhere to it better. Maybe get away without priming that. Next up we've got some tinted clear parts. So you've got a sunroof deflector there, and you've got wind deflectors for your front and rear windows. It's a really nice little touch. Proper JDM accessory there. Next up we've got your chrome sprue. So you get your front grille there, your grille surround, and your tiny Skyline badge. Two exhaust tips, some mirrors, and your front and rear light clusters. Next two sprues are your spoiler options. So you've got your basic spoiler here, just a basic lip spoiler. And we've got what appears to be the spoiler from the GTX model. It's nice you get a couple of options there. Personally, I think I'll be building this with no spoiler. I really like the look of these when they've really sort of simple body kits. No body kits, just stock. I think they'll look really nice. Next up, this is the interior sprue. So you've got your back seats there, nicely moulded. Nice finish to that satin black finish to the plastic. Your rear speakers there. Door cards. And we've got your gear lever, handbrake, rear view mirror, automatic shifter there too, and your two front seats. Now these seats don't have any back to them because they come with seat backs, so these seats are going to look really nice when they're finished. No big injection marks to try and fix. Nice netting moulded in at the bottom there. Two centre console options, one for your automatic shifter and one for your manual. The automatic shifter is quite nicely moulded in. You've got your different selections there. Also got two steering wheel options. The only difference I can make out with these is one appears to have some kind of control buttons on them, the other one doesn't. If I can get this camera to focus. Some gauges for on top of the dashboard there too, and you've got your dashboard as well. Very detailed, you can really make out all the different buttons on the stereo and stuff there. Vents quite well defined. Next sprue we have is the standard wheels. They're moulded in blue, same blue as the body. I've got a feeling that most people won't be using these wheels. I've got a feeling most people will be swapping the wheels out for something else. This is the type of thing you want to really build, like custom, make it your own. Not that it looks bad standard, but something you really can go to town with. Quite nicely moulded. Got our real light clusters there, moulded in red. Also got the rear bumper here. And we've got the chassis parts. You've got a radiator there with a fan built in. You can see that through the front grille. Window wipers are really nicely detailed. These are probably the most detailed window wipers I've seen on a kit, other than photo etched ones. It's amazing. I'm really impressed with this kit so far. Don't know if it's because it's one of the newer toolings, but yeah, it's really nice. Your exhaust there too. It looks like your front subframe and under tray. I'm not sure what this section is. It might be vents for the front bumper, or I'm not sure. Two number plate housings. Your exhaust bracket there. It's another vent for the front bumper. Your two wheel hubs and suspension arms. Your rear subframe and differential. This is definitely front vents. I think you put the little lights that fit in these slots here. Your disc brakes too, and your rear box for the exhaust. We've got some tyres. Got your springs for the suspension, some poly caps, and your metal license plate holders. And as a little bonus in this kit, we have some photo etch badges. So you've got your Nissan badges there, Skyline badge. You've also got a lock for the rear boot. Really nice. Last but not least, we have the body shell. So you can see there, moulded in the same colour almost as it is on the box. So it comes with no front end on it. The fenders and the front grille and bumper and stuff, they're all separate. I think that's so that they can make the different versions, like the Uras and the GTX model. They maybe get slightly different body kits. I think the Uras one has got flared fenders and stuff, so probably makes it easier for them to just have the separate fender parts than moulding different bodies. Really nicely moulded, very little to no mould lines, tiny little bit right here at the rear corner of the rear window there, tiny little bit across the top of the boot there. That's about it. Nissan badge moulded in. I would think if you're going to use the metal, the foot wedge part, you might need to sand that back. Get your keyhole there too. And you get your sunroof cut out at the top there as well. So yeah, very impressed with this kit. So that was what was in the Aoshima Skyline 25 GT Turbo ER34 from 2001 kit. So hopefully gives you a better idea of what's in the box. Really looking forward to starting this kit. It looks like a fantastic kit. I'm really impressed with it. Just the quality, the finish and stuff on the plastic, and just the way everything's moulded. It's really nice. Definitely looks like one of Aoshima's better kits. Obviously really new tooling, but definitely worth it if you want to pick one of them up. A few different versions out there, so yeah, I really recommend it. By the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be a really great kit. Just want to say a big thanks to Now or Never Build Off on Instagram. They did a giveaway, a like and share giveaway, which I entered, and this is what I won. Also a big shout out to McQueen Scale Production, who sorted out the kit for me, and Brandon Boyd as well, who also sorted everything out, getting this kit out to me. I really appreciate it. They had to try and sort something out because they were obviously based in America, so they ordered this kit and had it sent out to me because it was going to cause too much problems trying to ship things backwards and forwards and stuff. So I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks very much. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you fancy giving me a wee like, a wee comment or subscription, do you like the look of this kit? Would you think about getting it yourself? Let me know in the comments. And remember to follow me on Instagram. It's at GlowSniffGarage. I'll leave a link to the Instagram pages in my description, so if you want to check out some of my builds that I've got going on, what I'm getting up to, any updates and videos, remember to jump over to Instagram, give me a little follow, and I will see you all in a future video. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.